There's really only one good way to cut holes out of foam, and this is the tool to do it. Let's take a close look at our foam hole cutters. Use these hole cutters to slice through polyurethane upholstery foam for button tufting, vent holes, or clearance holes for hardware. The sharp blades are made from a durable carbonized steel, which will cut through a thick seat cushion with ease. They're available in 1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 1.5 inch diameters, and you can buy them individually or as a set of 3 that comes with a carrying case. If you're doing button tufting like this piece, here's a chart to match the hole cutter size with the proper button size. The cutting cylinders are 4 inches long, but you can cut through 6 inches of foam by compressing it while you drill. I like to use these with a handheld drill, but you can also attach them to a drill press as well. They're simple to use. Simply choose your angle and apply light pressure as it cuts. Just like a normal drill bit, it's easier to remove if you reverse the drill or just continue drilling as you lift it out. When cutting, make sure you protect both your work surface and the blade by using a cutting mat or poundo board underneath the foam. If you don't have one, a piece of cardboard works fine too. After the hole is cut, there's usually enough foam sticking out to pinch and pull it free, but if not, you can push it out using a screwdriver through this hole on the side. For an even smoother cut, or for big projects, apply a dry silicone lubricant, something like McLube's Sail Coat, to the inside and outside of the cylinder before cutting to reduce friction. These are a must-have for an upholsterer, and they're available now at Sailrite.com. Shop them on our website and in the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.